video. This is a last minute get ready with me video that I wanted to record. I just got on camera looking very raw and uncut. This is me fresh out the shower. My hair looks crazy. I just threw some clothes on, but I just wanted to come and record me getting ready. Not doing anything specific today. I'm just not doing anything. It's nice outside, so I just figured why not get cute. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. Also, make sure you guys check out my previous videos. And without further ado, we're just gonna jump right into the video. So to start off this little get ready with me video, I'm gonna start by doing my makeup. I'm not gonna do a too in-depth part of this part because I already kind of have a makeup routine type of video on my channel. So if you haven't already, make sure you go check that video out. So while I'm doing my makeup, I think I'm gonna just fast forward this part and I'll catch you guys back when I'm doing my hair. seem like it's taking forever for y'all, but this seeming like it's taking me forever to do my makeup, to go nowhere. so we are done with our makeup. This is what our face is looking like. We still looking a little bald because we got to put our lashes on. I do want to show you guys the lashes that I'm using. So these are the lashes that I'll be putting on today. They are by Michaela Finley, and she's actually a local lash supplier that lives in my area. And the style that I have for her lashes are Nami, I believe, and the packaging is super cute and matte durable. Like, you can definitely use this case again if you really wanted to store these back in here. And these are what the lashes look like. They look like this, very wispy, just like I like them, dramatic. It also comes with a spoolie, so this is the packaging that you get. And then I'll make sure I leave all of her Instagram information down below too, in case you guys want to purchase you a pair. But these are super cute, and I'll be back as soon as I put these back on. All right, y'all, we are back. This is what my lashes are looking like. Again, I will have her Instagram information down in the description box down below in case you guys are interested in purchasing. But now that I'm done with my makeup, we are going to move into my hair. I don't know what I'm wearing. Mind you, again, I'm not doing anything today, so it's not really anything spectacular. But this is what the hair is looking like. I just washed it and let it air dry and slept with my bonnet on, and this is what it looks like. I have my wand over here, was heating up while I was doing my makeup, so I think I'm gonna just put some little curls in it, nothing too spectacular. Of course, before you start putting heat to your hair, you want to prep it. This is my heat protective spray that I use when I'm doing curls, flat iron, or anything like that. And I just spray it all over the hair. And this stuff smells so good too. It smells really good. And on top of that, because the hair is kind of looking a little dry to me, I'm gonna go in with this Garnier Fructis Moroccan Sleek oil, and it just looks like this. This is really good for shine. You can definitely OD easy with this, so to do my whole head, I just took that much because it definitely does not take a lot. Alright, so this is what we're looking like. It's giving a little bit more shine. It still looks nappy, so it's not justifying anything right now, but that's okay, because that's the point of me recording the video, so we can do a little transformation together, because my makeup is really cute today. So I'm gonna break this in two, that's definitely not even, in two sections like that. And I'm going to go through and detangle this side first. Now that that's all detangled, I'm actually going to go in and pin this side up because I like to do my sides separately. Alright, so that's pinned up. I don't know if I want to go all the way up or if I just want to do some like bottom curls. If that's a thing, that's what I call them. I think I'm gonna just do some bottom curls and have my curls just at the end of the hair instead of all the way up. And then after I curl my hair, of course, I'm gonna go in and fix these edges because they're looking real nasty. But I think I'm gonna just fast forward through this part too, so it doesn't take too long, and then I'll see you guys when my hair is all curled up. So this is what the first side looked like. It's not as defined as I wanted, but it's definitely giving me like soft curl. I guess that'll do. I'm not doing anything anyway. So to save time, I think I'm just gonna do this one off camera and then just come back when I'm finished with this side. All right, y'all, so this is what my curls are looking like. This is exactly what I was going for, like a loose wave type of thing. This side is not doing what this side is doing, which is like framing on my face, and I think it's because this side is more layered. So now I have my hot comb plugged up and we're about to go in and lay this flat because it's looking I smacked the fuck out of myself just now. We gonna go in and lay this flat because it's looking real bulky, so we're gonna get that together. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I'm hot and sweating. I thought my lace was gonna come up. Jesus Christ. And so normally when I use my hot comb to lay my hair flat, I go in at the top with some mousse. This is the mousse I'm using, the Lotta Body mousse. As you can see, it's almost gone because I use this faithfully. So we just gonna take this. I took 2 pumps in my hand. I'm just gonna put this on the top of my head. And then I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and lay the top flat. These edges because I don't want to pull one of these and some shit and it look nasty. So I'm about to go in and fix my edges and then I'm gonna be right back. All right, y'all, so this is what our hair is looking like now that we done this side of the edges. If you know me, you know I suck at doing edges, so don't come for me in the comments. Now that we are all done pretty much with the hair part, I'm gonna just go in and define my part a little bit because it almost looks a little crooked on the camera. All right, y'all, so this is what my hair is looking like after I define the part. This is what it's looking like. I really like my hair for some reason, and I really didn't even do much to it, but this is what we are looking like. I'm about to throw some clothes on, and then I'm gonna come back and close out the video. All right, y'all, this is what we're looking like. I just put on a white bodysuit with some light blue jeans, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. And with all that being said, babes, I'll see you guys in my next video.